Welcome into Selenium tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn how to minimize our full screen the browser using Selenium WebDriver. So let's begin. First, we will navigate to this URL google.com driver.getString. Now we will maximize the window driver.manage.window.maximize. Here we can maximize the window, full screen, and minimize the window. Now we will use the maximize. Let's run this script and see what happens. In this scenario, first it will navigate to this URL google.com and maximize the window. Window has been maximized. If we enter the F11 key, then this window is open in full screen. We can also handle full screen in Selenium. I will use full screen. Let's run this script. In this scenario, the window will be open in full screen. Chrome driver is successfully opening and this window will be open in full screen. Now we will minimize this window. Let's add some weight thread.slip 1000 and we will use minimize. In this scenario, window will be minimized. Chrome driver is opening. It will navigate to google.com and minimize this window. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like this video and comment.